So today we are diving into exciting topic vibe coding. We'll be exploring what is vibe coding. I'll break down the concepts and what it makes it unique, origin of vibe coding, where it started and how it has evolved, advantage and disadvantage, the pro, the cons, and when it makes sense to use, industrial adoption, and how companies and developers are embracing it, controversy and consideration. Welcome to Tech Holo. Here we break down the latest software trend and AI tools to help you level up. No complicated jargon, no stress, just straightforward review, easy tutorial, and straightforward discussion on how tech and AI can boost your productivity, skills, and career. We bring you weekly updates, live coding session, and engaging conversation with AI experts. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned professional, there is always something for everyone. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button to stay updated. And if you have been with us, thank you for being part of the exciting journey. Let's get started. So, what is vibe coding? According to Wikipedia, the concept refers to a coding approach that rely on LLMs, allowing programmers to generate working code by providing natural language description. Vibe coding is an AI-assisted programming technique where individual or programmer describes desired functionality in natural language, which is like English, prompting large language model, which is LLM, to generate corresponding code rather than manually writing it. This approach shifts the programmer's role from manually coding to guiding, testing, and redefining AI-generated code, making software development more accessible to those without extensive coding experience. What is the origin of vibe coding? The term vibe coding was introduced by a computer scientist, Andrej Karpathy, a co-founder of OpenAI and former director of AI at Tesla. In February 2025, he described it as a conversational approach to coding where one interacts with AI model using voice or text command to generate code, stating that it's not really coding. It's just see things, say things, run things, and copy-paste things, and it mostly works. But what are the advantages of vibe coding? One, rapid prototyping. Vibe coding enables quick generation of functional code, facilitating rapid prototyping and testing of idea. That means with vibe coding, you can easily test an idea because you just vibe, put in your prompt, and immediately you have your app working. So you can easily get to market. Two, accessibility. By allowing users to describe functionality in plain English language, vibe coding lowers the barrier to entry for non-programmers, making software development more inclusive. Three, focus on high-level problem solving. Developers can now concentrate on conceptual aspects and problem solving rather than lower-level syntax implementation. Now, developers will not be worrying themselves about what is cons, what is lead. Their main focus will be how do I use lead cons to solve problem. What are the limitations or the disadvantage of vibe coding? One, code quality and maintainability. AI-generated code may lack structural integrity, contain redundancy, or be unoptimized, necessitating significant refinement. Because of how it is written, it may be very hard for it to be maintained or have a high quality code. And the next one is over-reliance on AI. Dependence on AI for coding can lead to decline in traditional coding skill, making debugging and manual correction more challenging. So because of people that are new, we just jump in. People that don't really have knowledge of coding, we just jump in, right? But at the end of the day, if they face some bug because they don't have the background knowledge of programming, they will really suffer. Number three, understanding and accountability. Using AI-generated code without fully understanding its functionality can result in undetected bug and error. This can lead to risks in professional setting where code quality is very crucial. Let's talk about the industrial adoption. The concept of vibe coding has gained traction in the tech industry. For instance, a Y Combinator, the popular startup accelerator, reported that 25% of its startup in its winter 2025 cohort had its code base that were 95% AI generated, reflecting a shift towards AI assisted development. Additionally, tools like Cursor and Winsoft IDE have emerged, enabling customization and integration of AI models, thereby streamlining workflow and enhancing productivity in software development. What are the controversies around this? While vibe coding offers significant advantage, it also raises some concern and critics. Critics argue that it may lead to superficial understanding of code, increasing technical depth, security vulnerability. More so, managing AI-generated code requires strong coding fundamentals, version control, and structured project management to mitigate potential issues. So what are the key takeaway from vibe coding? According to this website, gadget.com, you see that vibe coding uses AI agents like Clock 3, Grok to automate tasks such as writing, debugging, and optimizing code, allowing developers to focus on strategic decision making. Tools like Cursor and Winsoft IDE enable customization and integration of AI models, streamlining workflow and enhancing productivity in software development. Best practice include starting with detailed specification, setting clear coding guidelines, emphasizing testing and debugging, and managing code efficiency with version control system. Challenges such as unattended AI changes and context limitation can be mitigated by providing clear instruction and managing task increment and reviewing AI's output regularly. The future of vibe coding promise improve AI capability, making software development more accessible, efficient, and adaptable to evolving technology. So this is to interest you that some companies are already hiring for vibe coder. So this company is already hiring for vibe coder on LinkedIn. So you can, if you're a vibe coder, you can actually apply for a vibe coding job. In summary, vibe coding represents a paradigm shift in software development, leveraging AI to transform natural language prompts into functional code. While it democratizes coding and accelerates development process, it also necessitates careful consideration of its limitation and potential risks. So guys, we have seen it all, we have heard it all. What are your thoughts about vibe coding? Let me see it on the comment section. Yes, thank you.